Today we're going to be making paper airplane. So all you need is a piece of paper. The first thing you're going to do is fold the paper in half hot dog style. So you're going to line it up, crease, and unfold. And next, you're going to take the two corners, you're going to bring them in the middle, making a triangle and a triangle. And next, you're going to do the same exact thing, except using the corner here. You're going to bring it down so it reaches the center, fold, bring this one in, and fold. And then next, you're going to fold up together just like this, and then you're going to fold back a wing. And it doesn't matter where you start. I like to start like 1.5 inches from the tip. So right there, just remember whatever you do on one side, you got to do in the other. So when you're done that, you can lift it up. There you have it. You have your paper airplane.